Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How are you doing out there today? I'm here today, guys, because I want to show you a system that I've been using that I purchased a while back for text message marketing. It's something you may want to take a look at. Okay, it's called SMS Phone Leads. Okay, with this particular system, you're going to receive 2 phone numbers. Okay. Now, what happens with SMS phone leads is it's a marketing system, so to speak. Okay, it sends out instant auto text message replies. Okay, let me give you an example. I have one of the phone numbers that I use, like if I want to place an ad. A prime example would be a Craigslist ad. You know, they flag your accounts and things like that. So instead of putting a link in the Craigslist ad, I'll put a phone number. Okay, put my SMS phone number, and what happens is when people dial the phone number from their cell phone, it's going to text them immediately, and you decide the message you want to put on there. Okay, for an example, what I put on mine is the details. I say, hey, if you want more information, go to whatever my website is. Okay, so what it's going to do is basically text them my website, and I also have a voice message set up with it as well. Okay, so when they dial the number from their cell phone, it texts the website, so that way my ad doesn't get flagged. Okay, and you can actually use this number just to market on postcards or wherever you actually market. This can be your phone number, and you can have a message on it, and it will text anyone that calls it your website. Okay, so that is very key. I've also been I'll use a vendor. We have a few vendors that I know of and I've used where they will send out text message blasts for you for a fee. Okay, so when they send a text message out for you, let's say they send it to 1,000 buyers. Okay, they send a message out. It may say make 500 a day sending simple text messages. And what they will do is they can put your phone number. You can have the message say, call this number for details. So when they dial the number from their cell phone, it's just going to text them back your website. Okay, and let's say if they don't have a cell phone and they just dial the number, you have a pre-recorded message on there that's giving out the website that way. Okay, so it's a great way to market your business, whatever it is, using SMS phone leads. Just use the phone number and attach whatever message you want to reply back to the person that dials the number. It sends them a text message. So whatever you want that message to say, it's going to reply to them when they call the number. Okay, so it's only $20, guys. It's only $20. Okay, I'm gonna go down here so you can see. $20 one time. Now they're saying they may start charging $20 a month for this. I don't know when that's going to happen, so I would get it, as soon as possible. So $20 one time, and every time someone purchases this system from you, SMS Phone Leads, you make $20. Okay, so pretty cool, right? So you collect commissions on this. So you're going to make $20 every time someone purchases this little system. You're going to get 2 phone numbers with it for $20, and I think they give you some credits as well, okay, to start you out. So to market whatever business you have, SMS Phone Leads. So let me give you an example of one of the pages that I'm using. I believe this is it right here. Okay, so say we have a text message campaign going out. They dial my number. Instead of me putting a link in the message, I put my phone number. And when they dial that phone number, it gives them my website. They type the website in and it takes them right here. So don't you think that's going to resonate with someone that just received a text message from you, and then when they pull up the website, it says, did you receive a text message? And you're like, oh, that's pretty cool. How did you do that? Right? So it just makes sense. And then it tells them to watch the video to get the details. So when they put the information in here, This is for Vertex lead system, an easy one up. That's what this page is for. So when they put their information in, my Vertex lead system is going to take over from there. Okay. So a great way to market your business. Okay. SMS phone leads, a whole 20 bucks. And you get paid instant commissions, 20 bucks. Okay. So what I'm going to do is put the link below so that you can check it out. And if you have any questions, give me a call and I'll be happy to answer those for you. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys on the inside. All right, have a blessed day.